Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't, before we start, please hit that subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create another easy terrain by using displacement maps. In the last tutorial, I showed you how to use a bump map, but this time I'm going to show you how to use a displacement map in Maya. So the first thing you have to do is go into the, here what you see here is called Google Displacement Mountains. And they have a whole list of different displacement maps that you can use. So I downloaded this one, and this is the displacement map I'm going to use. I know some people actually use this in Photoshop, but I don't have Photoshop, so we're going to use this directly and import it into Maya. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is create a plane. And then we're going to create subdivisions of 50. And then what we have to do is we're going to go into the mesh tool, scroll down, go into sculpting tool, hit that. Then we're going to click on this twice. We're going to go into this menu here. We're going to scroll down, go into import, go into pictures. That's where I saved the file. And we're going to go into flat. We're going to go into displacement map, the flat rock or the map mountain. We're going to go with this one. Hit open. Pull this down. And here we go. This is how you create an easy terrain using displacement map. We can make the strength just a little bigger. Move that up just a little bit. Move the size up just a bit like that. Oh, that's a little bit too much there. Maybe about right there. Let's see what happens. There we go. All right, there we go. That's how you do it. This is how you create an easy terrain using a displacement map. I hope you got something out of this video. And again, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, because more videos on the way. Thank you. Have a blessed day.